Hello everyone, Phoenix Kawamoto, Office for Community Wellness here in the town of New Paltz. I wanted to let you know about an important training opportunity that we are being able to provide here in New Paltz thanks to our collaborative partners, Mental Health Association in Ulster County, Family of Woodstock, and SUNY New Paltz. The training is called ASIST, which stands for Applied Suicide Intervention Skills Training. It is a 16-hour training that will be available on October 4th and 5th at SUNY New Paltz. Registration is limited to the first 30 people. The cost for the training is $75 per person. And if you are someone who is in need of CEU credit hours, this training also provides, I believe it's 12 CEUs. So please, if you are interested, please reach out to me at 256-5014, and I'd be happy to get you the information on how to register for this training. We hope to be offering other trainings, including Safe Talk and mental health first aid for adolescents or for adults in the upcoming year. So stay tuned, keep an eye out for the, announcements on the town's website, and we'll keep you informed. It's going to be an exciting year. There's a lot of things that are coming your way. Take good care.